Today in this video, I'm gonna show you like how you can customize Kadence Theme sidebar. If you're a new user in Kadence Theme, then I think you will get the same problem and you're not able to find out the system, like where is the sidebar option, how you can add sidebar, how you can put item in your sidebar, and how you can customize your post page or your shop page. Now, if you see my shop page, then you'll see now it's looking something like this, okay? And if I go to my theme option, now as you can see, I'm using like Ocean WP. So let's move on like Kadence Theme and let's see what happened. So let's click on here. Okay, so let's active, then I just get something. So skip an active theme. Alright, so now this Kadence theme is successfully activated, and let's go to our shop page and reload this page, and also reload these like it's called home page. So as you can see, this is our shop page design now, and if I open this product, then you will see it's totally changed and everything almost changed here. So as you can see, this home page also, it's also changed, so we have to customize that, you know. So we are not telling like all the thing in this video. We are talking about like only the sidebar, because this my topic is like sidebar customization. So let's click on here the top, like customization, or if you cannot find out this option, just go to your backend and here the option like appearance, then click on this customize option. Alright, so to add sidebar, you have to go like here this WooCommerce option, and here product catalog, just click on here, and then you'll see the archive title. Like if you see the title, now it's looking something like this, and if you want to change the design, then you can do from here. Here title layout, just click on here, then this design will be changed. So now as you can see, this title is showing in the left. So if you want, you can make it like center or right, it's depend on you. Okay, hide this description and scroll down, then you'll see your archive layout. So here just you have to choose which type of layout you like. So if you need like a sidebar, then you just choose here like this one or this one, whatever you like. So I'm selecting here like this one. So now as you can see in sidebar, we get some option. So if you want to customize, then you can do from here. And also as you can see, your product archive default sidebar is sidebar 1. So the sidebar is like if you go to here like backend and like appearance to widget, then you can customize your sidebar item. Or if you want, you can do it from here, like here, just click on the pen icon, then you will see all widgets or item are here. Okay, now you can customize from here. If you want to delete or remove anything, then you can do from here. Or if you want to add a new thing, just click on here, add a widget, then you can add from here. Lots of widgets are present, whatever you like or whatever you need, you just search and just add in your sidebar. And when your customize done, just click on this publish button to save your changes. So in my website, I don't have like a blog page, so I just create a new page here, the blog, and let me add into our default blog page. So here I just go to like homepage setting and post setting to like blog, and now save it, and let's go to here blog, then you will redirect on this blog page. Okay, so now let's customize this page. So here as you can see, we see like a blog post or page layout. So let's go to blog post, then you see single post layout and archive layout. So archive means this page about like this page. So let's change this title, and also let's disable this here description, and here also if you want, you can enable any kind of, if you want, and you can enable sidebar here, and also if you want, you can change the sidebar from here. As you can see here, another sidebar is available. So in this page, I think we don't need any kind of like like sidebar, I think that's why. So I'm not enabling here, and let's scroll down, then we'll see. Okay, it's okay now. So let's publish this page and let's go back, and single post, let's click on the single post, and then we can enable like another sidebar here. So here sidebar 2, just enable. Okay, just published it, then it will be saved. So now let's go to our like what's called like a product page, single product page. To add sidebar in your single product page, to go to like WooCommerce, and here the product catalog, just go to here, and This is the product catalog, and here you can add another sidebar. Okay, so let's click on here, and also as you can see, content layout is showing in here. Okay, so if you want to hide anything else, then you can hide from here. Okay, so let's open a new product here. All right, so now it's looking perfect. So here the option like single product layout, just go to here, then you can customize. So let's add a sidebar here. Let's see how it's looking. So as you can see, it's not looking good. If you see here, it's not looking good. I think this one is best one, or this one best. All right, so when you customize done, then must be click on this publish button to save everything, and that's it. If you have another problem or like Kadence theme, so please comment below, and if you're new here on my channel, so please subscribe and also like this video if you like. Thank you.